So tell me, how did you stay motivated when you was clapping for everyone else and you was like, hey, that's great, but when is my turn coming? How'd you stay motivated even if you felt like the doors wasn't opening for you?
I think you have to almost have a little bit of tunnel vision, because you see people doing good and you do clap for them, but you still got to focus. Okay, what is my next move so that I can be there? What is my next move so I can get to where I'm going? So it is almost a little bit of, I guess, focus. You know what I mean? Like the tunnel vision is the best way I think that I kept my eye really on the goal, but also just the motivation of, it has to be now. Like, it's going to be now. I've done this. It's got to be now. I've worked so hard. It's got to be now. Like, you use that as your motivation.
Mm-hmm. And you take that time and say, I'm going to make it. I'm going to do this. I'm going to be, I'm going to be one of the greats at this. I'm going to take my time and find my way around. And, knowing from where you started in the Carolinas to see where now you're going. When I first heard the news of you going to Impact, I was like, wow, she really stuck with it. You be happy when you see the people stick with it and they don't give up. It's a lot of hard work that comes into this. Tell me a little bit about let me ask you this question. Who's been your biggest support system during this time? And also give me a shout out, give me somebody you want to shout out that people might not know. Maybe you're one of your close friends that's not in the limelight. Who's somebody? Give them a shout out. Who's people that stuck by your side during this whole journey?
I really love what a family we are at High Spots Training School. Like, sometimes it may not always seem like it. We argue and fight like brother and sister. But just the guys that I really trained with, that I came up with at the High Spots Training School, we kind of like stick together as far as, making sure people are motivated. Like, where are you this weekend? Or can I hop in the car this weekend with you? Just kind of keeping each other accountable. That's the word I'm looking for. We'll keep each other accountable. So I say that's huge. You know what I mean? Just having people around you that know what you're going through, because they're going through the same thing, and just coming together to stay motivated. The guys at High Spots, guys like, Montana Black, I'm sure you know him.
Shout out to my man.
Yes. I'm sure he'll definitely be watching this. Just guys like that. Ian Maxwell, Movie Mike.
Shout out to Ian, shout out to Mike. Shout out to Ian.
Yeah, Lucky Ali.
Ali. Shout out to Zuka. Shout out to all you guys.
Yes, Zuka.